In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front bumper impact absorber on this Volkswagen Jetta TDI wagon. This is going to be located behind the bumper cover. Let's get into it. We're going to take these screws out up top, use a T25 socket, take these out. Now underneath the grill, I'm just going to reach in here, pull it out. It's just clipped in. Just kind of fold it down a little bit to release the clips. Might be a little stuck. Just pull it out. You can see those are the clips. It's just clipped in. Pull that out. I'm going to remove the screws, use a T25 socket. Take that out, and you want to do the same on the other side. Using a T25 socket, we're going to take these screws out. Those are out. Now on the inner fender wells, we're going to take these screws out. You can just push the tire to the side a little bit. Take these screws out. Same T25 socket. And then there's one going up, right near the bumper. Take that out. Grab the bumper. Just pull that out. You're going to do the same on the other side. Now reach in here where the turn signal is. You're going to have to grab the socket and pull that out. It just pulls out. Do that on both sides. And if your vehicle has fog lights, when you pull this out a little more, you're going to want to disconnect those. This vehicle does not. And it comes right off. I'm going to take the bracket off for the ambient air temp sensor. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pop this little lock thing outwards. And just grab the bracket, slide it down. This just pops out. Set that aside. Take these two bolts out, use a T30 socket. Take those out. Now on the side, we're going to take these screws out, use a T30 socket. Take that one out. Down below, take this one out. You might see this frame drop a little bit. You can do that on both sides. Using a 16mm socket, take these 4 bolts out. And you're going to do the same on the other side. And grab the bumper absorber. And it comes right off. Now we're going to take this foam piece off. There is some clips right here. Just kind of like rock this forward. I'm just using a trim tool. The same on this side. Just like that. That piece comes right off. Now take the front bumper and the foam absorber. Push that on. And you just want to pull back on these little clips. It clips in place. It's all the way down. Now slide this in place. Get it lined up. Get some of the bolts started. Get all those in. Might have to make some adjustments. And before we tighten those down, we want to get these other bolts in on that radiator support. Just raise this up a little bit, get those screws started. Just want to leave it loose and get the other ones started. All right, that's close. Do the same on the other side. Get all the bolts started. Now we're going to tighten these down. There is an alignment hole right here. You want to get that lined up. You can use a pick or a Phillips head screwdriver. Just try to get that lined up and then snug these down. Do the same on the other side. Now with the screws, there is a alignment hole right underneath. If you look through that hole, raise this up just a little bit so that lines up, and snug those down. Do the same on the other side. I'm going to torque these bolts to 44 foot-pounds. And do the same for the other ones. Yeah, put the bolts in, get those started in the center. Yeah, we'll tighten those down. Snug those down. I'm going to take the air temp sensor bracket, slide that in place, lock that down. Just make sure the wires go in the way it should. I'm going to take the bumper cover, get this lined up. And take the marker bulbs and socket, get those lined up on the side, push those down, do the same to the other side. And just push the bumper in, just clips in place. There we go, that's good. Now take the screws, get these started, tighten these down. And all of these. Snug those down, do the same on the other side. And take these screws, get these started. Get those lined up. And snug these down. And do the same on the other side. I'm going to put these screws in. Snug those down on both sides. Slide the grill in place, just underneath. It's going to snap in. That lines up. All right, that's good. Yeah, take the screws and snug these down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.